Have you ever run into the problem of you go to take a snack and then all of a sudden the Oreo package is empty? Well, I've created a smart cookie tracker in order to solve this problem, and my name is Connor Saunders. Okay, so diving into each part and what it does. Here we have the LCD display, which displays what you put in by using the keypad. And then in here, we have a big old mess. Here's the sound sensor, which detects every time a cookie drops and counts that as one cookie. This here, let's see, right here, here's the smart part of it. That's a micro SD adapter. So it stores different kinds of data, like how many cookies, the calories, things like that. And then here up top we have the dispenser itself, which is just a little servo motor that turns and knocks out a cookie when told to. Okay, the first part of this process is to obviously load the Oreos. You can put in as many as you want. And then when we first turn it on, it will show us that the SD is ready and prompt us to enter the password, which when we do that, if we put the wrong one in, it will tell us wrong password and ask for the password again. Now that we have the right password, it will ask how much we want, 1, 2, or 3 servings. And in this case, we'll ask for 2. And it says dispensing, and then the cookie count underneath. And as it dispenses, the sound sensor will pick up each drop of the cookie and count that as 1 cookie. And then, if we were to want another 2 servings, then we would go through this whole process again and put in 2 servings. And this is where the limiting comes in. In the coding, I have it set so that you can only get 3 servings per day. And so it will show only 1 serving left for today and dispense that 1 serving. And now this next part, I'll show what happens if you're out of cookies. In this case, it didn't pick up the cookie drop, but if it does run out of cookies, it will show no more cookies. And now for the last scenario of this, if you were to try to get more cookies after you've reached your limit for the day, then it would show daily limit hit. So now, at the end of every week, you'd be able to take out the SD card and bring it over to your laptop and open the file, and we'll see that it keeps track of the servings, the amount of cookies dispensed, and the calories consumed every day. And that's my project. Thanks for watching.